Hi there and welcome back. Today we're going to cover the final step in our launch blueprint. I'm Dave Tinker, a senior success strategist here at DigitalChalk, and I've really enjoyed bringing you this launch blueprint video series. Today we're going to cover our sixth and final step in the launch system, and that is the letter H, standing for hit the ground running. At this point, you've done a lot of hard work, and now it's time to go live with your course. Since your marketing plan is already in place, all you have left to do is to publish your course, to publish your ads, and to hit the launch button. You are cleared for launch. And the cool thing is, the support center and all of DigitalChalk's team is still here to support you in everything that you need. So whether you have technical concerns, or you have student issues, or maybe you even want to create your next course and you have questions about how you could do it better, we are here for you. And on top of that, one of the beautiful things about DigitalChalk that you're not going to find with any of our other competitors is we actually support your students. That's right, we support your students. So you can think of DigitalChalk at this point as an extension of your organization. We're here not only to serve you, but we're here to serve your students as well. Now, certainly, if there's a use case where you don't want us to contact your students, you certainly have that prerogative, but DigitalChalk is here to serve you in whatever capacity that you need. So our turnkey e-commerce system will allow you to spin up very quickly and begin accepting payments right away as soon as you publish your course. You are ready to go. At this point, I want to thank you for joining me. I want to thank you for taking this journey with us. DigitalChalk is here to serve you. Again, don't skip the jumpstart process. Don't forget to write your business plan. And I'm going to see you in a summary video where I'm going to wrap all of this up for us and make sure that everything is in place and you have everything that you need to be successful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you can be abreast of all the great content that we create for you. I'll see you in the last video.